How to download music on Android for free. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To download music on your Android device for free and listen it to offline, you can use different kinds of free music applications like Spotify, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, or AudioMac. Simply, the steps is you can open Play Store on a device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen and tap the search bar at top. You can find out any of the application like YouTube Music and tap download or install button. Once the application gets fully downloaded, you can simply open it and then sign up or log into your account. Search for the song you want to download and you can download them by tapping the download button or the option for offline play. It actually depends according to the application. So there are different kinds of websites offering royalty free music that lets you download music legally as well, like Jamendo Music, Free Music Archive, or SoundClick. For that as well, you can easily open your browser and visit the website and search for the music that you want to download. And after that, you can access the file from your music player applications. So, in this way, you can easily download music on your Android device. But remember, in the applications like YouTube Music, it is free to stream with ads, but it requires a subscription for download. So, if you are the subscriber on YouTube Music, you can easily download it for free and then listen to music offline. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.